Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn different words which can be used to replace very important. We always say this is very important, that is very important. Life is very important, school is very important, education is very important, English is very important. We always tend to use very important as often as possible whenever we think that something is imperative. So we don't say imperative, we say very important. So there are different words that can be used to replace this particular very important thing that you are accustomed to whenever you speak the language. So we'll start with the first one. We'll start with significant. For example, we can say his statement looks significant looking at the current situation. The second word to replace very important is essential. For example, you can say it is essential that you speak only at the right time. The third one is imperative. Looking at the current situation of our country, the government has brought an imperative policy for the poor people. The next one is crucial. This particular planning is definitely going to be crucial for the marriage function which is going to take place 2 months from now. And the next one is indispensable. As far as the air quality in Delhi is concerned, it has to be very nice because it is indispensable for the health of the people who are living in Delhi. And the next one is vital. Computer is vital in all students' life as it can help them excel in their career as they love to explore many things through computer. And the next one is pivotal. All his criticisms against his opponents are pivotal and his opponents need to take those criticisms very seriously. And the next one and the last one is preponderant. For example, you can say you can play a preponderant role in making sure that people living in the society follow all the common rules and regulations to maintain equality among all. So I hope you have understood all these 8 different words that you can use to replace the word very important. And it's going to be crucial because you are learning your English and you want to take it to a good standard. You want to make it advanced. And this will definitely make sure that your speaking becomes much better and better in coming time. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.